Dear students, coming to session 2, the contents of session 2 are world, national and local water resources, irrigation and necessity of irrigation. Students, as we all know that water is a very natural, very valuable water resource available on the earth, and it is our prime duty to conserve and preserve water resources. As we all know that water resources available on earth are sea, river, lake, ponds, etc. But the 97% of the water available on earth is salt water, and only 3% of water is fresh. And from the 3%, two-thirds of the 3% is frozen in glacier and polar ice. And remaining unfrozen water is found mainly as groundwater. Only a small fraction of water is available on the surface as fresh water, which is available for usage. So it is our prime duty to conserve and preserve water resources. So friends, let us see what are the water resources those which are available around the world. First one is Three Gorges Project China, Syncrude Tailing Project Canada, Tihari Water Project Uttarakhand India, Bhakra Nangal Project Himachal Pradesh India, Cape Town Project Argentina, Pati Project Argentina, New Cornelia Project USA, Tarbela Project Pakistan, Fort Peak Project Montana, Lower Usuma Project Nigeria, Sipasang Project Indonesia. These are the major water resources available all around the world. Next, coming to water resources available in India. Major water resources available in India are Tihari Project Uttarakhand, Bhakra Nangal Project Himachal Pradesh, Hirakund Project, Nagarjun Sagar Project Andhra Pradesh, Sardar Sarovar Project Gujarat, Damodar Valley, Kosi Project, Chambal Project, Mahi Project, Gandak Project, Rajasthan Canal, Krishnaraj Sagar Project, Mysore. These are the major water resources from India. Next, water resources available in Karnataka. Water resources which are available in Karnataka are Tungabhadra Project Hospet, Upper Krishna Project Almatti, Krishnaraja Sagar Mysore, Navil Tirtha Project Savadatti, Hidkal Project, Linganamakki Project, Harangi Project Kodagu, Basavasagar Project Narayanpur, Kadra Dam, Gajnur Project, Kanwa Reservoir, Kodsalli Project. These are the major water resources from Karnataka. Coming to next topic, irrigation in India. So first, let us see what is definition of irrigation. Irrigation is the process of supplying water artificially to the crops in controlled amounts at required intervals. So what is this irrigation? Irrigation here is we are here we are supplying water artificially to the crops for their development. There is no rain. In non-rainy season, we are supplying the water artificially to the crops for their complete development. We all know that different crops require different amount of water. So we have to first know how much quantity of water that each crop require. Whenever we are sowing the crops, we have to know their water requirement and how much quantity is required for how many days. So each crop require different amount of water. Supplying the required quantity of water appropriately to the crops effectively is the main aim of irrigation. So whenever you supply the water as per their requirement, then the growth of the crops will be very good and the yield will be better. So this is the main aim of irrigation. Next is necessity of irrigation. In India, the rainfall is unusual. Rainfall occurs unusually and it is distributed unevenly throughout the year, and it is distributed unevenly throughout the year, and at different places different amount of rainfall occurs. Some areas there is huge rainfall which causes floods, and in some areas there is very poor rainfall which causes famine. So in order to balance this condition, irrigation is very much necessary in India. Some countries like England don't ever require irrigation because rainfall occur throughout the year in in such countries. So in order to balance the heavy flooded area and famine areas, irrigation is required. In heavy flooded area, irrigation helps us to store the water store the water in the reservoir and supply it to the non sorry to poor rainfall occurring region, to their crops, to supply to their crops and get better yield. So this is about necessity of irrigation. Next topic is multiple choice questions. The first one is the process of applying controlled amounts of water to plants at needed intervals is known as irrigation, water resource development, natural resource deforestation. And the answer is irrigation. So next multiple choice question is irrigation waterways can be utilized to produce hydroelectric power, navigation, recreation, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Next one is water resources of India. And the options are Three Gorges Project, Sincru Tailing Project, Captain Project, Tihari Project. And the answer is Tihari Project, Uttarakhand, India. Thank you.